In this lecture, we will talk about our article methodology further. First, we start with the definition of water, and water percentage in the body is the most important concept or a noun inside our macro context. And then we go for the main and the general water percentage. You did not understand here directly what the meaning about of main and the general water percentage. The main water percentage means it is the mid range or the approximate number or the percentage of specific concept. But when we talk about the general, it is the average amount or the percentage between these three, which means first we give the representative, then we give the sporting context or other variations. Then we go for the reasons and effects of the water percentage in body. We don't ask the reason of existing water in the body. We are trying to understand why this is main percentage, what effect it creates, and also what effect on a percentage, and then how it diversify based on gender, age, geography, and the diet. Because according to the geography, the water percentage in the human body is changed. According to the diet, the percent is changed. According to the age and the gender, the percentage number is also changed. After that, we go for the second paragraph, and in the second paragraph, we ask what percentage of the human body is water. We give the preceding question. Most of the time, the preceding questions used for feature snippets and what percentage of the human body is water. We try to ask this specific question with the more specifically, and we want to give the specific answer by using the scientific resources. We wanted to use this specific doctor because the person has the highest citation for this specific topic. Then we also talk about the properties of water or the anatomy of water. Our main point here is based on a water that you are consuming, the percentage even might be changing as well, and it might affect your daily intake or the possible benefits that you will be getting from it. Once we finish our the article methodology part, we directly go to our specific variation or the specific micro context expansion part. After completing our first paragraph or first methodology part, we go for the further variation, and here we ask directly the definitive answer and the expansion of evidence. Here we give the sentence example to the authors. Sometimes the authors did not know what is the sentence structure that we need to follow at that specific point. The organisms in the body with the higher water percentage are XYZ. X has highest water percentage in a human body by Y%. The reason, blah blah blah. These two questions are nearly the same, synonym and antonym, so we unite their methodology. And again, we unite the methodology of these three questions because male and female, these are not the antonyms to each other. These are the hyponyms of gender, and these are siblings to each other. And here we tell how it differs from X to Y and Z, reasons, optimum percentage, and how it changes based on the age. Female body has X% more water than the male body because here basically we compare to each other, because in the feature snippets the information density is very important. Even if someone asks for male body water percentage, still we also give the percentage of the female body together. But here the female or the male body, the prioritization of these things are play role. The purpose here is answering the same question twice and also giving more information with a more comprehensive angles. Then we give the word generally. General, we already explained it, and female body has X% of water while the male body. So this is our macro context and the main content. We give then the contextual bridge, and if you remember, we also talk about the electrolyte related to water intoxication. And same here, we talk about the animal bodies. We talk about slightly different things, different from human body. Again, we here use the comparison because the reason to use more comparison is we have the chance to increase or give the numerical values in the document, because H1 we have the percentage. Imagine that you write this article and you don't even use single time a percentage, which means the answer is not there. But if I am able to use words like high, low, high percentage, low percentage, or any kinds of numeric value for the different types of body or the genders or even the different types of living things that are related to the or similar to the humans, then it will be able to increase the click satisfaction possibility in the eyes of the search engine that it's real. Then after this bridge, we create the one route, and under this route, we cover our supplementary content. Here we use the cell names. Sometimes we use these specific cell names. In A9, mention the body function types and its connection to the water percentage. And in A10, give a range and effects for the body. So in the next lecture, we will try to understand what the mean of range and effects for the body.